How to log in into MyHR CVS Employee Login Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for MyHR CVS Employee Login. After you do that, here you'll find different websites. Head over to this self-service portal and it should take you to the login page. So right here you'll find this option. Tap on login and it will redirect you to the login option. All you have to do is enter your username, enter the username associated to your account, and then the password. Make sure both of these credentials are correct. Now, if you're new to our channel, also head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. After you type in your correct username and password, tap on sign on and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more. And if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and stay tuned for more.